Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram is featured in the Rebel trim and is a red paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a backup camera with rear park sensors, as well as our 9-speaker Alpine system, and our matte black rims. Now in the front of the vehicle, we can see a chrome finish door handle. Just below it is the controls for our power folding heated outside mirrors. All of our automatic window controls, as well as our window lock in the bottom. Then our door locks and unlocks. The bottom of the door has some extra storage, including 2 cup holders. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting control, including in-bed lighting button. Moving to the middle, we can see our cluster gauge with a digital speedometer in the center, as well as we can switch that around for extra information. You can see we have our oil life, fuel economy, trip, as well as our trailer tow controls, audio controls, stored messages, and we can also change it in our screen setup. Left-hand side of the steering wheel are hands-free, as well as the buttons to control that cluster gauge information system. The right-hand side of the steering wheel has our gear down and gear up, as well as our cruise settings. Moving to the middle, we can see our touchscreen infotainment system. You can see we have our radio, our media, our heating controls, including our heated driver and passenger seat and heated steering wheel. We can also see our backup camera here with our adaptive guidelines. Then we have our Connect apps, our climate control, as well as our navigation and a phone setting. Below it, we have some extra controls, our volume, screen off, our hazard lights are between them, back button, and our tune button. Then on the left, our push to start button, our drive mode. Then we have below it our climate control, and all of this, as we can see, is adjusted through our screen at the top corner there. Then we have our trailer brake controller, some buttons to raise or lower the truck, our traction control, heated driver seat, tow haul mode, heated steering wheel, rear park sensors, as well as our passenger heated seats. We have some storage underneath and some storage above a 115-volt plug on the passenger sides. Then moving back, we have another storage compartment with a 12-volt plug in the bottom. Here we can also see our key. So on the top, locks and unlocks. The second row is to lower our truck, as well as to turn on our remote start. And then a panic button. We have 2 cup holders on the passenger side. Then we have our center console in a leather finish with the Ram logo. Opening it up, we have a 2-toned storage system. We can see we have shallow storage, and that's right next to a USB, an aux, and then another covered USB. Then we can open up the other one by a press on the front. We can see that we have deep storage. Moving to these seats, we can see that they are a black suede with the Rebel logo, as well as the red trim on the side, and are heated in the front of the vehicle. Then above the rear view mirror, we have our garage door opener, our control for our third rear sliding window, as well as all the controls for our sunroof. Then lastly, we can see our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have an 18-inch matte black rim with a Dodge center cap. Up to the mirrors, we can see they have a black finish with an integrated turn signal and our power heated folding as well. Our door handles match the paint in a red finish and our keyless entry. At the bottom, we have our black assist step. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Ram badging, as well as our Rebel badging and our 4x4 badging. The bottom, we can see our trailer hitch with our pin connectors above. On the handle of the rear of the vehicle, we can see our backup camera. Opening up into the rear of the vehicle, we have cable tie-downs in both the front and back of the vehicle, as well as our in-bed lighting and a bed liner. Now moving to the back of the vehicle, we we can see a chrome finish door handle, power window control, and there's storage throughout the door. Moving into the vehicle, on the back of our driver's seat, we have our storage compartment on a red leather surface. Between the two seats, we have a 12-volt plug, as well as two vents for the rear of the vehicle. Passenger seat also has our same storage compartment. Moving to these seats, we can see they are a black leather with a suede insert, and they are black as well with a red trim. In our center seat, we have our pull down two cup holders, and just below it we also have two additional cup holders. Behind the seat we have our powered third window, and then all three of our seats flip up by simply pressing on the bottom, and below them we have some extra storage compartments, and it's a 60-40 folding split, with the passenger seat being the 60. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.